Meaning of dispenser.
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 Dispenser. A dispenser is a machine or device that provides a specific product or substance, typically in a measured amount. The purpose of a dispenser is to make the dispensing process more efficient and convenient for users. Some examples of dispensers include soap dispensers, water coolers, and vending machines. Dispensers can be found in various settings, including homes, workplaces, and public areas, and they are designed to dispense a wide range of products, such as food items, beverages, medicine, and hygiene products. Overall, a dispenser helps to simplify the process of accessing and distributing various products and substances.